Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how you can color grade your image. As we go on, I hope you learn one or two things in this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new adjustment layer because I want to use the gradient map. So when you click on the layer icon here, click on the layer icon, then you click on the new adjustment layer and you click on the gradient map, then it's going to open this new layer and you're going to reduce the opacity to 30%, which works for me. Then you're going to change the mode to soft light and then you're going to click on OK. When you click on OK, you're going to click on the gradients and you're going to change the gradients type into noise. Then you reduce this to 30% just for you to be soft on the image. Then when you are done with this, you're just going to click on randomize. So when you click on randomize, Photoshop is going to automatically give you a series of color grading that you can use, and you're going to choose what you desire or what you want that you can work with. So you can just randomize, click on randomize, and we have the settings now, and then continue to click on randomize, and Photoshop is going to continue to color grade the image for you. So I'm going to leave it at this and click on OK. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I want to work with the selective colors, which is a very powerful tool that you can use to color grade your image anytime, any day. So you just click on the selective color icon. You can come here and click on selective color. And then, okay, so we have blue in the image, we have red in the image. So I'm going to work majorly on red and blue. I also have black. So for the red, so I can increase the skin a little bit like this. Then I can add magenta to the image too. I want to come to this part and just brighten it a little bit like this and we're good. So normally it's always advisable for you to use another selective color layer when you're working on different parts of the image. So I'm going to click on another selective color layer. So I'm going to go to the blue because we have blue here. So I'm just going to increase this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to reduce it a little bit. And we have this. I can also change the colors from here. So just for us to play with the colors a little bit. So I'm just going to leave it as this. And then we're good. So I want to merge all this in a group. So I'm just going to merge all, Ctrl G to group it. So let me just change it to color grade CG. And we're good. Okay, so this is how far we have gone. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the color balance adjustment layer. So I'm going to click on the color balance adjustment layer. For the color balancing, so I'm just going to add a little bit of cyan. And this is good. This is good. And then maybe a little bit of yellow. That's for the midtones. Why for the shadows? I want to just add a little bit of blue to the shadows. Okay, this is fine like this. Okay. And let me see. Okay, so then we're good. So the next thing I just want to do for the hue and saturation is that I'll click on the hue and saturation adjustment layer, then I'll just tone down the red a little bit. This is okay. Also, if you decide that you want to change the color of the dress, you can always use selective color or hue and saturation to do that. So for example, now I want to change the color here. Now that I've clicked on it, it has changed me to blue, so I can always just shift this hue side and the color is going to change to whatever I want it to be. So I'm just going to leave it with this. And then we have this. Now, if you want to work on only the skin, what you have to do is that you have to click on the quick selection tool and select subjects, and let Photoshop select the subject. Then you're going to click on selective color. I want to work on only the skin, so I'm just going to go to the reds and I'm going to increase this a little bit. So you can see that it's really affecting the skin. As you can see, only the skin because I already selected the screen like this now. So I want to affect the background. I know the background is brown, so it has a lot of red in it. So I'm just going to duplicate this particular one because of the background that the screen I like, and I've already selected this particular layer. So I'm just going to click on Ctrl J. Now that I've clicked on Ctrl J, I'm going to click on Ctrl I for the layer mask to invert it. I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to reset this because I want to work on the background now. So I want to increase the cyan a little bit, and then we have this. And you can add magenta if you want. So depending on exactly what you want to do with the background and all. And this is good like this. This is for the background. So this is the before and the after. So guys, this is typically how I colorate my image. I hope you learned one or two things in this video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.